To use routine to automatically adjust display setting for low light on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can add in the dark routine to your routine list. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap compass like icon at the top right to view all preloaded routine. Tap adaptive routine and then select in the dark. To make this routine work, you need to set the time when this routine will active. To do so, tap time period. As the example, we will set it to sunset until next day sunrise and set it to every day. Tap done button to save your time setting. Now tap save to add this routine to your routine list. Tap the back key. With the in the dark routine on your routine list, your phone will automatically enable dark mode and set the eye comfort shield to adaptive every day from sunset until next day sunrise of your current location. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.